Here's a quick quiz. Look carefully. Which of these poses the greatest threat to a sensitive biomanufacturing process? Give up? She does. People, even the cleanest of people, are naturally dirty or contaminated. In addition to constantly shedding loads of hair and skin cells and breathing out a plume of diverse microorganisms, our bodies are natural hosts to undesirable bacteria. And, if we're infected or sick, dangerous viruses and fungi as well. Today's life science companies work tirelessly to prevent any kind of biological, chemical, or physical contamination during the manufacturing process. Product contamination is a high-stakes issue. If it's detected during manufacturing, the loss of a single batch could cost millions. If a contaminated product escaped detection and was distributed, it could cause illness or death, and the costs of litigation and compensation may be incalculable. One of the primary safeguards that life science companies use to help prevent contamination in cleanroom operations is gowning. Gowning is basically putting on clothing. In this case, layers of specially designed garments, covers, masks, and gloves that isolate your body from the cleanroom environment. Gowning is more involved than just slipping on a coverall and going to work. Gowning is itself a process, with carefully sequenced steps to ensure that your body is fully covered and that the protective garb remains free of contamination. The complexity of the gowning process is determined by the company, but it's based on the sensitivity of the work environment. For example, gowning for a Grade A pharmaceutical fill suite operation is going to be much more rigorous than gowning for a Grade D packaging operation. There are a few gowning concepts that are universal, such as being as clean as possible before even starting the process. Clean body, hair, clothes, and shoes. Removing everything that is not required in the clean room area. This would include all personal items, jewelry, electronics, even makeup. Avoiding contact with environmental surfaces while gowning, such as walls, lockers, and floors. And avoiding contact with the outside of garments, gloves, masks, and covers. There are 3 basic gowning approaches: top down, bottom up, and inside out. This relates to the order in which garments are put on. Top down helps ensure that the lower garments and shoes don't pick up extra contamination. Bottom up helps to keep the upper garments as clean as possible. And inside out covers the largest portion of your body first.